Alright, hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I'm in my garage today. I was trying to get some stuff done, and just nothing seemed to work out for me today. Trying to get to the store to put up my display for Slammer Series turkey calls, as it's turkey season's just around the corner. But the owners of the store weren't there, so wasn't able to set it up. And then I drove out, was going to go to the property and make some videos out there, and totally forgot my camera and gear. So I came back home. It started out pretty cloudy, but now it's like super sunny and hot. But I figured while I was home trying to get the garage in order, trying to get ready to take the boat out, do some other things, I wanted to go back and kind of revisit my Molle Pack Patrol. So you saw me do some zipper maintenance on this with my zipper lubricant that I had, and it's still working pretty well. I mean, it's pretty smooth compared to what it was, so that lubricant has really done a good job. And then this pack, the only problem I find with this pack, right, is there's no hook and loop for adding patches if you want. Now, we all go to shows, we all collect patches, and it's just unfortunate that this bag doesn't have any. So your two options that I saw were either to buy some strips of hook and loop that you can iron on to this particular pack, and I've done that on my another pack that I use for hunting. But this one, I found these online, and these are just 4 inches by 4 inches. These are these just Molle hook and loops that you can just kind of put through these webbing right here. So that's what I was going to kind of show you today, is that I got these on Amazon for like $7. So I have these 4 pieces of webbing right here. So what I'll do is I'll just take this end and slip it through. You can see that right there. I'm just slipping it in. Same thing with this this side right here. Just push that in and then just fold this down and press, and now you've got a patch right there for the hook and loop, so you can attach some patches if you want. Same thing, so I got 2, because when I measured it, right, they come out to about 8 inches across. So I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to drop it through the webbing, put it through this webbing, pull it down, and then just push down to kind of connect it right there. And now on this Molle Pack Patrol, I've got these two patch areas, this hook and loop that I can have. I still have access to the front pouch, so that's not a problem. I haven't done anything to the bag for a permanent fix, like attaching or ironing on some Velcro strips there. I just figured these patches would be a pretty good idea, and they're just connected real well on there. And then take some patches. So I happen to have 2 of patches that I have. One, of course, is for the logo for the channel, so I can put that right here. That's perfectly. And another one is, this is for Frontier Town. So when I was a kid, we used to spend our summers in the Adirondacks, and there was a amusement park. It was called Frontier Town, obviously. So what was it like? You know, cowboys and Indians kind of thing. That was up right off of exit 29 off of I-87 in the Adirondacks. Went there a lot of times with a kid, as a kid with family and stuff. So I asked my for Christmas this year, I got a picture of the old logo and asked my family to get it for me as a patch, and they did. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm just going to kind of put that on this bag as well. And there you go. So now you can see, right? So now I can put whatever patches I want on here, no problem. They have other different things online now. You can buy like a full patch across here. If you want just a larger hook and loop kind of thing. They have smaller ones that you can just loop through these mollies and just make thin ones if you have thin patches. I went for the bigger one just in case, because I was like, well, let me see what it looks like, and then I may say, you know what, I only want one, so I'll pull one off and put this one in the middle, and then just have it in the middle rather than 2. I haven't really decided, but it's a pretty quick fix to get you some Velcro and hook and loop on your backpack if you don't have it, especially if you have that Molle webbing, other than ironing. So that's what it kind of looks like. So this is just a quick and dirty video. I wanted to show you that I got some some Velcro hook and loop there, put those patches on. Yeah, this will probably be good. This is going to be turning into my kind of go out and scout bag. I'm going to make another video about what I would keep in here. I've got some additional Molle attachments that I'm going to put on this bag. I got some grenade pouches, and I've got a waistband pouch that can connect to the bottom, so I'm going to show you that in another video and kind of put this bag together for when I'm like scouting around my property. So, but for now, just wanted to show you that. So thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.